asabu na de bia me catch players na say obo hat fuka say kobuza yi asama bote free ni Michael Ewuamensa last year omo has no motivation mo de boy busa sama mo fa wo bibia ni goals has no so any opportunity to obo has then say na no be no. Remember we Asante Deportivo played Asante Kotoko in an FA Cup. We needed at the time as manager not to tell the boys anything.
Wow, we're charged and motivated intrinsically.
And once I got him, just as well, what's any 2 years, Kotoko na for another house, a fan and say go face a ton and answer BBU and some boys, you know, most of them Sobekaya, your boss how much new year, a boss says in you know, baby, and your class a boy.
Yeah,
it's a penny, sir, and a tear. Hearts of folk, boys should be guided by what happened to them last season. Hearts of folk, boys, who say, Omo Efrim last season at home to Nanya FC. Hearts of folk game in Komosa Bokra Ewo Ena Omo Ede Abe PM Ewo University of Ghana Stadium. Hearts of folk there Omo season we know. Enya bibia brusu bebrebe. But at least how they started very bad no. Almost started a recover kakra. Hearts of folk ashasia or recover. So the season started on a disastrous note. First 2 defeats. 2 games. Now the worst was that a club from Division 1, Baseke Holy Stars. Every no Baseke no Babeshe has. A house home. And a house called Usu to Pando out of Lions. No, it wasn't good at all. But they have recovered Kaka and good for clubs of the penny or enya sa recovery no.
Yeah.
Has a recover Kaka. Now we are talking about the FA Cup, which is a competition hard to folk in miniature club Bia or Ghana. So the last time they won it was 2022. That was Samobodu's second season.
12 times.
Kai said 2021 no. Oji FA Cup no.
The league.
And what G League. And that was a double. And
the
second season Oji FA Cup. But between 2021 and Southam and has any be no the year 2000. Now has at Japan on FA Cup.
Wow.
The last time was 2000. Remember has won in 99, 1995, 96, 93, 94. 93, 94 the other na Kotoko winning after protest no. They were declared the winners. The FA Cup in 1990 sa edeko has at 12. 1970 1956 1958 1961 62 1971 just has a folk the penny one more ajeje ade ne pa omajeje pa 1973 1974 1979 1981 1989 1990 after winning the protest they were declared winners 1990 I remember Kotoko either Joe Debras Joe Chirimu bako ebo brace Emma Kotoko je no knowing say na or suspended for the game. It has a protest edgy. They have won 12 times and me see anytime be a Omeje FA Cup be almost extending a record or extending a record because obi anya ndro ebuja penny afiwe has ebeji liga ebedin e dia man kakra league na yebon based on has performance ebedin e dia man kakra. Now winning the FA Cup is always easier than winning the league. The path to the FA Cup no easy. Say round of 64 and yeboy.
Okay.
O qualifier now call round of 32. O qualifier now call round of 16. O qualifier call round of 8. If you are round of 4, no go final. So 6 games and you are in the FA Cup final. I will 6 games and over FA Cup no. League you can say you so be about 13.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a path to glory number 1. It is a path to Africa number 2. It is a path to give these young boys confidence. And now my catch was a house of folk team that was a predominant a new team. Goalkeeper Benasari new from Accra Great Olympics.
Yeah.
Right back Kamadin a new player from Bibiani Go Stars. left back Ranford new from the Division 1. Central defenders are all used in this season, no. Or you shoot Kelvin or SB. Ah, no there. All about the second season. No, you shoot Amufa at the account and I say women's 81 player back and then people or yeah player obo last season. Go to the middle no obo Theophilus Collinson, new player. Obo Hussein Mohammed, new player. Obo Sani Mohammed, new player. Obo Mauli Wayo, new player. Obo Salima or no second player what's the team Ache. Oko Afronta, the only player or old player or Hamza Isa. On a day, if I had to fuck a parody the squad now, I had 3 players and the players are almost team dada. 3
almost almost start here.
And Omukrano, Kevin was SB ball last season. Salim has been there for some time. Hamza Isa last season. It will be players on my GB, and so the boys themselves, as well, build your margin. As a coach in the management, and they want the FA Cup. They want it. 6 games and we can win the FA Cup. We can go into Africa. We a bit more confidence for the following season. But now we just had an immigration for a motivation players. You don't need any motivation from anybody when you are playing a big game. You don't need any motivation from anybody. There is something called intrinsic motivation.
Sure.
As a player,
yeah.
Okay, immigration for ebi on na God abo on nania on dam board krobo bokra ni pe gina so ma 25 or ko ba kra has folk University of Ghana Stadium. If the attendance last weekend anything to go by,
yes.
At least you been 5,000 7,000 people at the stadium. Immigration officer immigration for na team no mafa boys no immigration for no mo bobie. Okay, say na boy bi ebo wafa obesi ko adua na soja ni bi no raza okay no no yeah military officer ni dino T Chosete yes Chosete abranche no ebo wafa besi ko oye military officer. These immigration boys, they want to sell themselves, and that is the motivation they have playing Accra House of Folk. Obi okra bi the childhood dream say ono nya obebo house. And when it has ebebo. House of Folk directors and management will be there. House of Folk or more technical team so that the intrinsic motivation to shine and probably get a contract for yourself out there. And so House of Folk players, they must approach this game with the seriousness it deserves. If they go into the game relaxed, if they go into the game feeling that we are House of Folk, we can beat Obia, you bet Masha Obia, they will get an unpleasant surprise. If they go into the game thinking say has, you'll be a more unpleasant surprise. So they should be careful.
Has with me.
Eso mutimi.
Kotoko Future Stars a return to the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. First game.
I'm so Future Stars for no. Coach Malam Yaya as their head coach. Now Future Stars for no pick results pa Division 1. Now numbers no ko share Kinveza or na na fa no Kisi Park or Ejuso. Enti Future Stars for no omo results a omunya Division 1 enya bad. Na Malam Yaya no obi onim ni bia no eni Malam Yaya say in terms of coaching, especially all coaching young boys no ya there pa. Why Malam Yaya coaching Premier League level na mo kakra, but a very good coach. And on the boys no confidence. Again, the same factors now. A big guide Emranchana omo immigration and one a big guide Future Stars.
Okay.
Now Future Stars crowd here. Last year Kotoko third choice goalkeeper no. Fatal Mohammed echo ball loan do you know what it does to the confidence of the boys? Players say Fatal Ukene the boy yes Ofi Kotoko be ball loan. But Obaye no otimi boy yes ye boy. Send it say Kotoko Kotoko be tuma bu. E be opportunity na ma here.
Yeah.
Obi ani na enwu yen. Into this is the time. Go and meet them. play and let them understand the ball say unim bopa. It is the guiding principle. Asante Kotoko lead striker Abetamwa. Last season starting league no body ma assume kwa bibrim division 1. Second round and over Edema graduate Olympics. Into about only 6 months of Premier League football and then Ojina Kotoko. Wabo says goes. The motivation. Adia beti dia show hunkra ni bi no. And these boys no both future stars baby Kumase boys are omunim Kotoko no players ni bi ni ade. They will approach the game not just with the mentality say with the mentality say me home to future stars right back, left back, central defenders, midfielders, any attackers, and you're not doing one so movie now so and that is the motivation. Side teams in edible games. I'm depending on Kotoko. Asante Kotoko FA Cup performance in recent times are very bad. Very, very bad. Na FA Cup no ne bono bufu kakra me kai season bia omo de Kotoko first game omo ko amse tumu ko ball na esanso ye epebrese ya na periya ya hampo de ze bai na okọ esoro etina ye school park bi a bibie ni so anwa grass kura ni so eno mo subject Kotoko to sa game no last season one factor ma Kotoko free FA Cup no yeah. At that time, now Aliu Mama Sports Complex they abandoned. All of a sudden, almost say Kotoko Karela Munkobo Aliu Mama, and the nature of pitch of Munkobo balls on the penny. Na hydra kakra.
Kotoko the second most successful club in the FA Cup.
Yes,
half or 12 or more 9.
And Kaiser Omuba Kuna, ya Jidema Haza.
Yes, I
go more 10 Nanga has about 11 at Tisoba, Kodanka by 11. In Asante Kotoko has a job to do. Abusapani league we untimi fan show team bebre se Kotoko beje te say dem Cardiff has one but FA Cup no de Kotoko bo 6 games are obetimi age Kotoko set up probably a new team enti say Frederick Edema or old player right back near Lodamo new left back near Patrick Esiedu new ablo ebo now bo Samba Ndongania new Justice Blake Boma ebo bia na so nya old mienu
player
o come middle no na coach na ebo ntimanu old player onya miensa obo antwi new o ko anim ho na okobo a uchi abet amoa obo sa boys na these are old players aje se bia Peter new players sakanom say Amidu akwamba bo mo enti Kotoko also has a new team. That Kotoko team no mo league. The last league, you know, boys will no be anka. I just say Justice Blay oh. And no crown more ka Justice Blay. As I ko bomb me after say obebo lo nu Kotoko amfa no. And no ko bomb me ma no say it no anka ho. Obebo second round.
But he was part of the team that won the league.
Enti o hwe Justice Nkuku Blay e bi on na play awaje cap. Enti we mu so your boys that they will need a cap to boost their confidence. They will need to play in Africa. The last time Kotoko Africa here, Kadiogo match. No?
And the last time they won the FA Cup 2016-2017 season. No?
Season. The last time. Enti Asante Kotoko last time oji FA Cup no 2017 and so ache. Ache. Ase Kotoko crown so sa season eje double. Michael say did Dramani.
It was Polak.
Okay, Polak the 2014 the end double no.
Yeah.
And Lord Pokunti. Kotoko je double. Now Didi head coach but he do Africa final no ni. Yes, Makai. 17 the here omkose has 3 Sadiq Adams hat-trick no Tamale no. Yes. Asante Kotoko. Yes. Sadiq Ebo hat-trick Makai give.
Guys of my house for soon this.
2017 and the last time Kotoko je FA Cup. Now we are in 2024. I equal 25. To equal 25 the end boy. Tiaka 2 years now call 10 years a decade. I got any year and they need to work. Sejuma no ejuma ten. Sen kanuma ekwa ye de Makotoko game we esenka prosper a bench some of the senior players.
Na players
but,
no grow moso.
Esen se Kotoko ekwa through some bad path no. Oh esenka Solomon Kwakusa no Vitus Avoka. Kwadani ni mbo pa o. Vitus ni mbɔ pa buta payi koduamo ɛsɛ nka gɔfrɛ ɔmo na enya bi bɔ but ɛsɛ sɛ Kotoko 4 games lose to aso no ko say Diana Stars no in football you say you build momentum.
Sure.
They will have to start building momentum, and so we need game where remember say next time on the game no has a folk. So they need momentum. O say FA Cup na so Kotoko unbeaten in their last 2 games. Again, the boys will have to play because Yaba break you one mark or 2 bani ade until they will have to play. Until the coach may have to keep the same team now. And man opportunity man that Kotoko register a lot of the young players, but they will not. I would not advise we coach at the boss game we. What they omo bona to get that momentum back. Say you starting season na Kotoko 6 games, 4 wins and 2 draws. And FA Cup game ever. I would advise the coach omo enya bi mo. But because omo lose form and omo pick bano. Esa Asante Kotoko e gradual. Now my boys na e bon kakra ne peja. I feel that game no Esa Kotoko e wini. The last time I heard Kotoko Baba Sports Stadium FA Cup, it was a beautiful game. Danunso toy Kotoko ne Nations FC 4-1. Now a beautiful game I'm sure. It's how FA Cup no. Kotoko confirm okay because omo ball bechem Michel Kotoko any bechem so FA Cup you Kumase 2-1 B and also first okay. And I'm sure Kotoko Nations FA Cup and also Kotoko share 4-1 fe we a gamer again for no yeah ton sadia from Kotoko back come and welcome the team supporters may welcome you then the players will have to give them a reason more everybody happy. Yeah. They will come when they are playing out for we
want to come and see
and the be catching players almost so sure so management about the Korean supporters are not born on so a can be the be top team performance for it is Sunday for me committee but players reason here as subsequent games more na no create me boma ABA management increase gate fees like can go fees near general I start to catch F but ubebuza say dia na players no so ya betimi amade no akoso so we expect a beautiful game nyame adoma on Sunday but I expect the approach to be say players na airborne abebo aha say the obuzam say has betimi am say so mutimi no
sana kan be bisa Kotoko betimi
so mutimi because of the only future stars airborne uni what is at stake Esa Kotoko etimi na omo eje win this particular game.
A very important trophy. We league if you are cup papa be any chrome apart from the FA Cup na next to the league, you know. And see 2 teams in now are serious. But this is a competition obia senior slogan it's here all over the world. Sana competition it's here to be na Emino bi yeho na MK Dons etimichi Manchester United show mo 4-2 so it happens say a competition a surprises room but Osha be a Kotoko ne has Jana if there's another route to Africa we so I can be and I'm expecting both teams say going into this game now team are fighting for the win and easy because team Bia or Bia Beshia has Kotoko Bia would want to outperform normal levels and as limits now. This is a game of Bia who say a game also on Zuchiri BNT and easy and I'm sure say 2 teams in Indian players no aware. Last season Kotoko started years in a PP Kano 4 against Nations FC and almost call baby any SR share baby any Go Stars and Sana almost drawn a buyer a call back to Tamalea Karela Kotoko film. But one thing Abusia ama FA Cup na BBO say under the stewardship of Kotoko was on the FA Cup chairman. Yeah. Na organization BBA parent BBA na superb.
Was the matter ye to say?
Was not at the end. The organization BBA poor, terrible, terrible. I know grand amount in your GDP says send a cake. Organize a FA Cup and obey a FA president. I know dear for sure. Me say we win. Sad in about me trim say send a cat a FA Cup idea. A league in the bay super fantastic. I have not shared the beauty. The Bako United, Nebechem United, a competing for the Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Share the attendance for Bechelu or United ni pe pukohwe match no na ade na quite impressive but she say ne dey an organization ne but Kotoko ni options against Future Stars. Kotoko ni na bought several games at Adakojachi. Started be gidi na Kotoko ashe winning a competitive game and they remember with a different approach from Future Stars on Sunday when your team free kwamo Adakojachi hwena no hwa you can imagine na boys ni nyina abusia omo pon training omo begina wo hwe weni bi ansa na omako and you know omo bo several times ebi mutimi ye dey na 1-0 ebi timi kwa 3-4 ni nyina aba order but in this game no they be different because yet ya na ni Deportivo di agra boase kwesi e da wie bi na FA Cup yi omo de ko omo so omo fa nko ba bia no masa show inti to avoid that no since 2017 to date akwane wa was say Kotoko modern mono so obia obetima bu bi o ya available bi should play in this game because we are competition abusia ogia and also team de ko Africa so and Kotoko here we need more here good performance because
especially
because
a return
you have to make a statement to retain and pull other supporters. Yes. You have to make a statement to tell people say they are happy in the 4 games now but you once I already discover the Kotoko will not only have to win the game, they will have to win beautifully and comfortably to retain supporters. You see, I said you know super on Sunday, but trust the players. He said so both fans and Kotoko no any game also mudi agro they should approach it with all seriousness. Now Omuntiminya wins over the weekend.